gender identity is of who they are in the world that isn't just like reactionary and bad.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit. Well, that guy's a fucking idiot.
Star Toyota in Louisville.
The Dashcam studios are sponsored by the most high-quality injury lawyers.
Go to WeTransfer.com. The Black Friday.
But yeah, Trump was ahead in these states. Kamala's never going to win those states.
Excellent. Excellent.
Whoa! My God.
I should resell the tickets. I don't think I recouped any of them.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ, my guy! Holy fuck!
You okay? Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ, my guy!
Be like the moment that there is a car not going, whoa, oh my god, holy shit.
Good recovery, but also you got yourself there.
Holy crap.
Where he murders Paul Allen. And we didn't realize this until the person who was turning it in turned it in.
Shit! What? Shit, man, I saw it. Oh my god. Here, be careful driving over this.
No. What the fuck are you doing?
Emergency video.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh shit!
There's a person.
Oh shit!
Patriots were willing to give more than that. They were willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. We saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Taillon from the Cubs.
That was why the rumor had stuck so hard. I think it ruined this girl's whole high school life.
This guy's really just dragging deers right now.